This is the question defined as let T that maps from R4 to R3 be the linear transformation defined by T x y z t is equal to x minus y plus z plus t comma x plus 2z minus t comma x plus y plus 3z minus 3t. Then find the basis and the dimension of the image of T and the kernel of T. So to find the solution, we proceed as follows. First we see that what we are getting. So just suppose set the value of x, y, z as follows. X is equal to 1, y and c and t is equal to 0. So we get from this relationship 1, comma 1, comma 1. Then put t is equal to, t 0, comma 1, comma 0, comma 0. And then we get minus 1, 0, and 1. And t is equal to 0, comma 0, comma 1, comma 0. We get 1, comma 2, comma 3. Then again put t is equal to 0, comma 0, comma 0, comma 1. We get 1, comma minus 1, comma minus 3. So the image vectors spans image of T. Hence they form a matrix and apply row reduce echelon form to reduce this matrix up to echelon form. So minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. So we have to reduce this form up to row reduce echelon form. So first R1 mean first row will be same. There is no change in R1. And R2 is equal to R2 plus R1. R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. And R4 is equal to R4 minus R1. So what we get, first row is same 1, 1, 1. And then 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Then third row minus first row. So 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2, and then again R4 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, minus 3 and minus 1 is minus 4. Now first two row will be same, third and fourth, there is a change in third and fourth. So for third row, R3 is equal to R3 minus R2 and R4 is equal to R4 minus 2 R2, R4 plus 2 R2. So what we get? 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. So here we have two independent rows, 1, 1, 1, 1, comma 1, comma 1, and 0, 1, 2, and they form a basis. They form a basis for image T. Hence, dimension of image T is equal to 2. For second part, we know that T of V is equal to 0. It is kernel, right? So here V is equal to X, comma Y, comma Z, comma T. So T of X, comma Y, comma Z, comma T is equal to 0. So what is the definition of this? X minus Y plus z plus t, comma x plus 2z minus t, comma x plus y plus 3z minus 3t is equal to 0. 0 means 0 vector of 3. So this is 3. So from there, we have three equations: x minus y plus z plus t is equal to 0, x plus 2z minus t is equal to 0, and x plus y plus 3z minus 3t is equal to 0. Now again form a matrix. This is for 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 1 1 1 0 2 minus 1 1 1 3 minus 3. So first row would be same. Reduce it up to the row reduced echelon form. So R2 is equal to R2 minus R1, and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 1 and 1. So R2 is equal to R2 minus 1, mean 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, and minus 1 is minus 2. Again 1 minus 1 is 0, mean R3 is equal to R3 minus 1, R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1 minus minus plus mean 2, or 3 minus 1 is 2, and minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So R3 is equal to R3 minus 2 R2. We get 1 minus 1 1 1 0 1 1 minus 2 and 0. 2 minus 2 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. So from this matrix we have two equations in the form of x, y, z and t. So first one is x minus y plus z plus t is equal to 0, and second one is y plus z minus 2t is equal to 0. So from this equation, y is equal to 2t minus z. Here two variables are free. T and z, two variables are free. Hence dimension of kernel T is equal to 2. Suppose z is equal to k1 and t is equal to k2. Then y is equal to 2k2 minus k1, and x is equal to y minus z minus t. So this is 2k2 minus k1, z is k1 and t is k2. So from here we have k2 minus 2k1. So write x, y, z and t, and this is equal to k2 minus 2k1, then y is 2k2 minus k1, then z is k1 and t is k2. So from here we may write minus 2k1 minus k1 k1 and 0 plus k2 2k2 0 and k2. We have separated both of them. Now take k1 common from this. So we have -2, -1, 1 and 0, and take k2 common from this one. So 1, 2, 0 and 1. Hence -2, -1, 1, comma 0 and 1, 2, 0, comma 1 form basis. Basis of kernel of